Hi, welcome to presentation 2 for group 34, which is accessible planetary and stellar home cartography and home projectors. After a trip to the planetarium in Greenwich, we realized how inaccessible this experience was for those with disabilities, especially those unable to leave their beds, like hospital patients or those with ALS. Planetariums also lack interactivity, as the viewer can only watch the visuals and listen to the show's story. This is where our project comes in. Using facial navigation and speech, you can browse planets, nebulas, and galaxies from the comfort of your own home, using only a laptop, projector, and web camera. We use Gaia Sky as our space simulator, which is a free piece of software you can download from their website, and it has over 1 billion stars mapped and gives incredible visuals. One key requirement for our planetarium was for the projected image to appear flattened, so that the user can have a clear view of space. As you can see in this clip, a normal projector in the corner of a room makes a distorted image which greatly reduces the planetarium experience. This was an important requirement, as in many of the settings our planetarium will be used, there will not be a flat wall, but more likely a corner or uneven surface. For example, in hospital rooms, classrooms, and bedrooms, where there is a lack of space. In collaboration with Room, Team 33, we wrote a program using Damian's projection mapping code to calibrate the projector so each pixel in the image is mapped to where it would create a flat planetarium view. Although this results in some fuzziness of the image, the flattened result is a far more immersive experience. Our other key requirement was to make sure the navigation tools were accessible for those with disabilities. We decided to give the user the option between facial navigation or speech. If facial navigation is selected, the user's nose acts as a mouse and they can customize gestures to different facial actions. For example, raising eyebrows to select a planet the mouse is hovering over, or opening the mouth and turning your head to drag yourself and move through space. Alternatively, if speech navigation is selected, the user can explore using our voice commands. These commands can be split into the categories of being navigational, educational, or to change the planetarium view. For example, the user can navigate to any planet in the solar system using the keyword find, followed by the planet's name. The information command reads out a short descriptor about the selected object, an educational feature. Other features include zoom in, zoom out, and rotate to move 180 degrees around an object. Find Mars. Visit. Rotate. Information.
Object information. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system.
Zoom out. Find. Random. Visit. Rotate. The end result is a full planetarium experience from your own home with only basic equipment. This is an amazing tool for those ranging from children who want to learn about space, hospital patients with little entertainment who might feel isolated from other activities like even reading a book due to limited movement, and the elderly. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Thank you for listening.